Hey y'all, come on in the room. So this is installment number, I don't even know because I've lost count. So yesterday evening was day 6, up to 40 hours. The mentor for the trainee finally came and helped her out for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Showed her a different way to actually start the knot to do the interlocking, which saved time. But I still have these sections to go. So 40 hours and we're still not done. I'm going to try and turn around. Hopefully you'll be able to see what's going on in the back. So did the middle section. The mentor actually did that, and of course it was much quicker, but couldn't stay. So the trainee is supposed to still finish it this evening along with the mentor, but I have absolutely no confidence in that. And after spending 6 days and 40 hours, I have decided to just go back home, find myself another experienced loctician who can finish my hair and make sure it's actually in the grid pattern the way it's supposed to be, because I'm not even sure about all of this, whether or not that's actually grid or not. I checked in with somebody else I knew, and she said just looking at the back, she didn't think they were even following the grid the way it's supposed to, and that's supposed to be one of the main things for Sisterlocks, not just the size and the technique and the tool, but also the specific grid pattern that you are supposed to follow. So, you know, you get what you pay for. I thought that I was at least going to get a better deal in Jacksonville. I think I would have, because overall their prices are still $500 to $1,000 less in Jacksonville than what they're charging in Tallahassee. But my mistake was going with a trainee who did not have the level of experience needed to deal with my hair, the density of my hair, as well as the length of my hair. So another tip, you've got to ask them all those questions, ask them for pictures of exactly what they've done, and try to find someone who actually is experienced. They may be in trainee status, but some of them have been doing hair for years, and this is the main thing that they do, versus someone who is just starting to get into it and has a full-time job, and this is just kind of like their side hustle that they're trying to develop but aren't really there yet. That's not who you want doing your hair. Okay, so I will come back hopefully when this is actually finished and show you the final product. Hoo-wee, y'all. They said it was a journey. They said you had to have patience. Well, yeah, that's exactly what it takes. Be blessed.